Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to capture burst shot photos on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app and you will see hold phone. After hold phone, just click on hold volume up button and you will see after the process. Go back to home screen, click on gallery app and you will see best photos is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can capture burst shot photos on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.